Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Wi-Fi CX.SYS blue screen error on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So this has to do with the Wi-Fi WDF class extensions, which is assist users in writing a driver for the Wi-Fi devices, and you are noticing there are a lot of crashes on your system and outdated driver software or potential corruptions that was caused by the drivers on your system. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung troubleshoot settings, and then click mo lang open. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang sinig dito yung Windows Update. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa Windows Update, so scroll down lang tayo. And then sinig mo lang dito yung Advanced Options. So click lang natin yan. So dito sa Advanced Options, and then next step ay scroll down lang tayo. And then dito lang sa Additional Options, under nito ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Optional Updates. So click mo lang yan. So dito sa Optional Updates, so ang gagawin natin dito ay kailangan lang natin i-update yung driver na makita natin dito. So meron dito isang kailangan i-update. So click mo lang yan. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-download and install ito siya. So once na-download and install mo na siya, and then close lang natin dito. So ang next solution na ating gagawin ay dito lang ulit sa search menu. And then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang itong yes. And then dito sa Administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsem space / online space / image space / restore health. So copy lang natin yan. And the next step ay kailangan natin ito i-paste. So kung paano ba natin yan i-paste? So dito lang sa task, kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung edit, and then next, select mo lang dito yung paste, and then next step ay press mo lang yung enter. And so dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo dito na restore operations completed successfully. And then next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type ay type mo lang yung sfc space /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And the next step, press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang 100% na verification. Alright, so makikita mo dito na verification 100% complete. So ang next step na ating gagawin ay close lang natin itong CMD. And then dito lang sa start menu, and then click mo lang dito yung restart. Yeah, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix Wi-Fi CX.SYS blue screen update in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.